Today we will learn about the count functions in Excel. In Excel, as you know, all the functions start with equal to sign. Let us start with count function first. As you can see, count function counts the number of cells in a range that contains only numbers. Now if we type in count and select the range, answer should be 5 as we have 5 cells with numbers. Now for countA function. countA counts the numbers of cells in a range that are not empty. So if we type in the function in our text column, the answer should be 5 as we have 5 cells which with some value in the range. Type in the function countA. Select the range and hit enter. You can also double-click in a cell to see the applied function. Now if we change any value in our numbers column which has the count function applied, which only counts the cells in a range that has numbers. If we change any value here, suppose I change the number to any text, our answer should be changed also because the cells with numbers are changed to 4. And if I change any value in out text column which has countA function applied, which only counts the cells in a range that are not empty. So if I make a cell empty, our answer should be changed to 4. Now let's practice these two functions on the left side in out inventory table. Now for the countIF function. By looking at the graphics, it says counts the number of cells in a range that meet the given condition. So what criteria does countIF function have to meet in order to count the cells? So let's go ahead and write our countIF function. Okay, so that's the beginning of my function. Now you notice when I type a function and you have this little white box show up just below it like an instruction manual. So next stage is to select the range. Comma will go in. To input your criteria, you have to put your double quotes twice. You need to come in between the double quotes, and what I am going to look for any figures that are equal to 35. As we don't have any figures equals to 35, out answer is 0. Now if we change our criteria to 20, our answer is 1 as we have only one cell with a value of 20. For the countBlank function, as the graphics says, counts the number of empty cells in a specified range of cells. As there are no empty cells in out specified range, so our answer is 0. But if go and change the criteria and include the 2 blank cells in specified range, out answer is 2. Okay, so let's start changing the source data here and see what happens. And you can see all of the answers are changing. And there you go. So you can see how all that works.